Wow. I don't know, it's gone 9:30 at night. But this is the first time I've walked barefoot in the rain. Go in, I'll be back in a minute. I was taking Scooby for a walk. Feels great. Obviously I haven't known any rain for a couple of months. Not to my knowledge. But it's great. Get in! In! What? I'm not taking Scooby for a walk. Quick then. I bet you left my door open. But now it's coming quiet down. Right, my camera. I am barefoot. Like my daughter's barefoot come out. But it feels brilliant. How natural. Walking on the grass. And the hot pavement as well. The first time. It does feel euphoric. I really recommend it, anyone. Just feel the texture, the soft, wet grass on your feet. And even walking on the pavement, it's nice. We haven't had much rain for ages. So, it would probably thunderstorm soon. But no, what a pleasant shower. The rain slapping off me forehead, me bald head. I thought, no, I'll have to come out, get a quick barefoot blog. Walking in a nice summer evening with a bit of rain. What, sweetheart?
You know all the plants must have died.
Dying, all the grass that could do with a really good drink of water, so it's good we're having a bit of rain. Come on, Scooby. Isn't it great walking barefoot, Layla?
Especially in rain.
Yeah, still keep a look on the ground and that.
The last time I remember when we had rain was
It's a while ago.
my birthday.
Yeah, it's got to be about May. Don't know, any viewers want to watch this? When was the last time it rained?
Yeah.
Because I can't remember. It's got to be a good few weeks.
Put in the comments down below.
Yeah, comments down below, my daughter said. No, enjoy your evening.
Bye.
Adios. Ho ho ho.